The OnePlus Nord 2T is one of the most affordable 5G smartphones in the market, making it a great option for users who want to future-proof their purchase. Hi, I am Deepak. Welcome to our channel where we share the latest reviews and tricks in the world of smartphones. Subscribe to our channel for exciting and informative content. At number 1 is the design. The OnePlus Nord 2T has a sleek and modern design. It has a flat display and a metal frame which gives it a more premium look and feel. The phone is also relatively lighter and thin, making it more comfortable to hold and use. Next is the display. The OnePlus Nord 2T has a 6.43-inch AMOLED display with a full HD plus resolution of 2400 x 1080 pixels. The display has 90 Hz refresh rate, which makes it smooth and responsive. The display is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and has wide color gamut and supports HDR10+ content. Coming to the performance, the OnePlus Nord 2T is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1300 processor, which is a powerful processor that is capable of handling most demanding tasks like browsing the web, playing games and watching videos. The phone also has up to 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, which is sufficient for storing large number of videos. About the camera, the OnePlus Nord 2T has a triple camera system on the back consisting of a 50 megapixel main sensor, a 8 megapixel ultrawide sensor and a 2 megapixel macro sensor. The front facing camera is a 32 megapixel sensor. The camera system is capable of taking good quality photos and videos in a variety of conditions. The main sensor is especially good at taking detailed photos in good lighting conditions. The ultra-wide sensor is good for taking wide-angle shots and the macro sensor is good for taking close-up shots. The front-facing camera is good for taking selfies and video calls. Let's talk about the battery. The OnePlus Nord 2T has a 4500 mAh of battery, which is a large battery that can easily last a full day of use. The phone also supports 80-watt fast charging, which can charge the battery from 0 to 100% in just 15 minutes. Next is the connectivity. The OnePlus Nord 2T supports 5G connectivity, which is the fastest mobile connectivity available. This phone also supports 4G LTE connectivity, which is the most widely used mobile network in the world. The phone also supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, GLONASS, Baidu and Galileo. Finally, the software. The OnePlus Nord 2T runs on Android 12 with Oxygen OS 12.1 on top. Oxygen OS is a custom Android skin that is known for its clean and intuitive interface. It also comes with a number of features such as Zen mode, work-life balance and private safe. Overall, the OnePlus Nord 2T has a sleek design, a large and bright display, a powerful processor, a good camera system and a long-lasting battery. That concludes our today's review of the OnePlus Nord 2T. Subscribe to our channel and save money on your dream phones. Please do check out our website for the best renewed smartphone deals.